Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to verify secure package delivery on Amazon. This is especially important if you're ordering high-value items or simply want to ensure your package hasn't been tampered with during transit. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent purchases and their current status. Now, I don't have any active orders at the moment, but I'll walk you through what you'd see next. Once you're on the orders page, locate the specific item you want to verify. Next to that item, you'll notice an option that says Track Package. Click on it. This is your gateway to detailed delivery information and security verification. The tracking page will now display all the relevant details about your shipment. Here you can review the delivery status, check the estimated or actual delivery time, and if available, view proof of delivery. Amazon often provides visual confirmation, such as a photo showing where the package was left or a delivery note from the driver. This step is crucial because it helps you confirm not just that the package arrived, but where and how it was delivered. When your package finally arrives, don't rush to open it immediately. Take a moment to inspect the outer packaging carefully. Look for secure packaging features such as intact tape, undamaged seams, and no visible signs of tampering. These small details can reveal whether your package has been handled improperly or potentially opened before reaching you. Next, examine the package label closely. Search for any unique package ID or security markings printed on it. If these markings are shown in your delivery details on the tracking page, match them to ensure everything aligns correctly. This extra verification step adds another layer of confidence that you've received the correct, untampered package. Only after confirming that the outer seal looks intact and there's no visible damage should you proceed to open the package. This precaution is especially important for expensive or sensitive orders where security matters most. For high-value or sensitive items, Amazon may require a one-time password, also known as an OTP, when the package arrives. If this applies to your order, look for a section labeled Delivery PIN or one-time password in your account, app, email, or SMS. When the delivery driver arrives at your location, you'll need to provide them with the 6-digit code or show it directly from your app, email, or text message. Without this code, the driver won't hand over the package. This feature ensures that only you or someone you authorize can receive the delivery, adding a critical layer of security. And that's it. You've now ensured your Amazon package was delivered securely and verified every step along the way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.